Welcome to our journey, a journey through the remarkable city of Jamshedpur. Here in the heart of India, we find a unique juxtaposition, the might of industrial progress existing in harmony with the enduring allure of the natural world. Founded in 1907 by the visionary Jamshedji Tata, Jamshedpur has long been known as the Steel City, a testament to the Tata Steel plant, a giant among India's industrial landscape. But Jamshedpur is so much more than just its industrial heart. This is a city embraced by lush greenery, a testament to the power of nature to thrive even amidst the bustle of human endeavor. Join us now as we delve into the verdant tapestry of Jamshedpur, exploring its parks, lakes, and the wild beauty that lies just beyond its borders. Our exploration begins in the very heart of Jamshedpur, where 225 acres of tranquility unfold before us. This is Jubilee Park. A gift to the people, inaugurated in 1956 to commemorate the Golden Jubilee of Tata Steel, this park stands as a testament to the vision of a city designed not just for industry, but for life. Here, manicured gardens weave intricate patterns, their vibrant blooms a stark contrast against the steel-grey structures that define Jamshedpur's skyline. Artificial lakes, shimmering mirrors reflecting the azure sky above, provide a haven for a variety of birdlife. Ducks glide effortlessly across the water's surface, their calls echoing through the air, while kingfishers, flashes of emerald and sapphire, perch patiently on overhanging branches, ever watchful for a glimpse of silver beneath the water. Families stroll along paved pathways, their laughter mingling with the gentle rustling of leaves, a testament to the park's role as a gathering place, a green lung in the heart of the city. Look closely, and you'll see that this park is more than just a collection of exotic species. Here, indigenous plants thrive, a testament to the park's commitment to preserving the local flora. And within this sanctuary, another awaits, the Tata Steel Zoological Park, a haven for creatures great and small. We journey now to the outskirts of Jamshedpur, where the foothills of the Dalma Hills cradle a body of water that seems to exist in a world apart. Dimna Lake. Created by human hands to serve the needs of industry, this artificial reservoir, fed by the waters of the Karkai River, has become an unexpected haven for both wildlife and those seeking respite from the city's clamor. The surface of the lake, a vast expanse of blue, stretches out before us, reflecting the sky and the verdant hills that rise up from its shores. Here the air is alive with the sounds of nature, the chirping of crickets hidden amongst the reeds, the gentle lapping of water against the shore, and the occasional splash of a fish breaking the surface. Boating enthusiasts glide across the lake's placid waters, their oars leaving trails of shimmering ripples in their wake, while families gather on the grassy banks, enjoying picnics beneath the shade of ancient trees. The Dalma Hills, a looming presence in the distance, provide a breathtaking backdrop, their slopes cloaked in a patchwork of emerald green and earthy brown. As the sun begins its slow descent, casting long shadows across the water, Dimna Lake transforms into a scene of ethereal beauty, a reminder that even in the midst of industry, the serenity of nature can still be found. Today we venture beyond the city limits, leaving behind the ordered world of industry, and entering a realm where nature reigns supreme, the Dalma Hills. Rising majestically to the east of Jamshedpur, these hills offer a refuge for both wildlife and those seeking adventure. As we ascend, the air grows cooler, carrying with it the scent of pine and damp earth, a welcome change from the city's heat. The landscape here is a tapestry of vibrant greens and earthy browns, a testament to the rich biodiversity that thrives in this protected sanctuary. Towering sal trees, their trunks like ancient sentinels, dominate the slopes, their canopies providing shade for a myriad of creatures. Listen closely, and you might hear the chatter of monkeys swinging through the branches or the call of a bird echoing through the trees. These hills are a haven for birdwatchers, home to a dazzling array of species, their plumage a riot of colors against the green backdrop. But it is the elephants that truly capture the imagination. The Dalma Hills are a crucial corridor for these gentle giants, and if we are fortunate, we might catch a glimpse of them lumbering through the undergrowth, their sheer size a testament to the power of nature. Trekking trails wind their way through the hills, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. From the summit, the world seems to stretch out before us, a panorama of rolling hills, verdant valleys, and in the distance the faint outline of Jamshedpur, a reminder of the city we left behind. As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink and purple, we are left in awe of the raw beauty of the Dalma Hills, a testament to the enduring power of the natural world. Chapter 4. Tata Steel Zoological Park, a sanctuary within a city. Returning to the embrace of Jubilee Park, we find ourselves at the entrance to another world, the Tata Steel Zoological Park. More than just a zoo, this park represents a commitment to conservation, a place where education and awareness go hand in hand with the preservation of some of India's most iconic creatures. Here, within spacious enclosures designed to mimic their natural habitats, animals from across the Indian subcontinent roam freely. The majestic Bengal tiger stripes a blur of orange and black, paces its territory, its low growl a reminder of its predatory prowess. Nearby, a pride of lions basks in the afternoon sun, their tawny coats blending seamlessly with the dry grasses of their enclosure. We encounter playful monkeys, their agility on full display as they swing from branches, and lumbering sloth bears, their long claws sifting through the earth in search of insects. The air is alive with the calls of exotic birds, their plumage a dazzling display of colors against the lush greenery. The Tata Steel Zoological Park is more than just a collection of animals. It's a place where visitors, young and old, can connect with nature, learn about the importance of conservation, and gain a deeper appreciation for the diversity of life on our planet. Even in the heart of Jamshedpur's urban landscape, the presence of nature is never far away. Keenan Stadium, a hub for sporting events, stands as a testament to the city's commitment to integrating green spaces into its urban fabric. Surrounding the stadium, a ring of verdant trees provides a welcome respite from the concrete and steel, their leaves rustling in the breeze, offering shade to those seeking refuge from the sun. Here, the cheers of the crowd mingle with the chirping of birds, a harmonious blend of human activity and the natural world. Bistupur, the bustling commercial centre of Jamshedpur, also boasts pockets of green, small parks and tree-lined avenues, offering a sense of tranquility amidst the urban chaos. These green lungs, scattered throughout the city, serve as a vital reminder that even in the most urbanized environments, nature can still find a way to thrive. Our journey takes us beyond the city limits once more, this time to the nearby city of Ranchi, a destination that beckons those seeking adventure and natural splendor. Known as the City of Waterfalls, Ranchi is a paradise for nature enthusiasts, its surrounding landscape dotted with cascading waterfalls, each more breathtaking than the last. The roar of water crashing onto the rocks below is a symphony of nature's power, while the spray from the falls creates a cool mist, a welcome respite from the heat. We venture deeper into the wilderness surrounding Ranchi, exploring its hilly terrains, their slopes cloaked in dense forests. Here the air is thick with the scent of pine and damp earth, and the only sounds are the calls of birds and the rustling of leaves underfoot. Ranchi offers a glimpse into the wild heart of India, a reminder that adventure and natural beauty are never far away from the bustling city of Jamshedpur. Our final destination takes us back to the heart of Jamshedpur, to a place of quiet contemplation, the bamboo garden. Here, amidst the rustling leaves and the gentle sway of bamboo stalks, we find a sanctuary of peace and tranquility. The air is filled with the soothing sound of wind whispering through the bamboo groves, creating a natural symphony that calms the soul. Sunlight filters through the canopy above, casting intricate patterns of light and shadow on the ground below. We wander through this verdant wonderland, marveling at the variety of bamboo species on display, their stalks ranging in color from deep green to golden yellow. Some stand tall and slender, reaching for the sky, while others form dense thickets, their leaves creating a natural canopy. The bamboo garden is a testament to the beauty and versatility of this remarkable plant, a place where visitors can escape the hustle and bustle of city life and reconnect with the tranquility of nature. As our journey through Jamshedpur draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of awe and appreciation for this remarkable city. From its sprawling parks and serene lakes to the wild beauty of the Dalma Hills and the tranquil escape of the bamboo garden, Jamshedpur offers a unique blend of industrial progress and natural harmony. Whether you seek adventure in the great outdoors, tranquility amidst nature's embrace, or simply a moment of peace and quiet away from the city's clamour, Jamshedpur has something to offer everyone. So come, explore its hidden gems and discover for yourself the magic that unfolds when industry meets nature.